That was my best one. Rip rear fender though.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Bataha here, and we're working in the garage today because it's really cold outside. So sorry if it's kind of tight in here with my stuff, but I got some Pro Taper bars. These are actually, I think they're 35, 36 off of Amazon. And man, dude, the quality on these is amazing for what you pay for. I'll link these down below. So I went ahead and just put these on to see if they'd fit. I think the reason why this one's cheap is if it's for like the XR80 and it only has teeth like to here in the middle. So I was kind of, you know, seeing if hopefully that'd fit, because the teeth probably go to right here where my pinky is on these clamps on each one. So I did like screw these down tight, and like it looks like it's moving, but these aren't, you know, going forward or back. They're actually better than the normal handlebars when they were in there. Yeah, man, I mean, I'd recommend these. It's like 35 for these, and if you were to get the ones that had the two teeth thing cut out like this, they're like, I don't know, 60 or 70 bucks. So I was like, let's just pay half the price and see if it works. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and just see if I can fit on the cables. That's the main thing, is because it's pretty far out here compared to the old one. It'd be an inch down, so this would be a little bit more down, but you can see, comparing, that's a lot farther. You can really tell the difference here. Pretty big difference. This is what I was talking about, what I mean with the little teeth. You can see there's a little bit of marks because these actually as well have teeth. And those look pretty beat up from the old ones. But you can see there's a little bit on each side, but some catches in the teeth right there. This is kind of how I got it set up for the throttle. It still works and everything. I just had to move that below the brake to actually get it to do that, because if I had it like how it used to be, where it was like up here, it was too tight. And then for the front brake, which is this lever, this is the closest I could get it. If I bent it any more up this way, it'd get way too tight. So I just kind of left it down here, and yeah, that's as far as I could get that over. On this side, this is about as far as I could get this one over, but I could get it a lot more angled up than the other one. I actually like the angle right here. Like, this is perfect for me. Kill switch and stuff is fine. The grip on the end, I have a lot more room, and if I turn, that's a lot more room than the old ones, okay? And the thing about how I set mine up is these are even slightly angled back. If you're a taller person, you want even more. Move these forward like that, and then I think you'll even be able to get your brakes and stuff probably angled straight up. But for me, I really liked this position of the handlebars, so I was like, you know what? My brake can be angled down, and it's really easy even with these a little bit in. I can just like two finger or one finger my brake, and it's really easy. And then throttle, yeah, that's good. I feel like I'm just gonna have more control over the bike. You know, it's a little bit wider instead of like, you know, kind of down here. It's like, you know, you're a little bit up taller. more control, easier to turn and stuff. So dude, you can't go wrong with Pro Taper for like 35 bucks, man. I'm just gonna say that. And then these handlebars, they're not shifting nowhere. They're not like going forward and back. I kind of had that problem with these. I don't know if you can see this, but even with the teeth tightened all the way down, these were scraping and like just digging into this thing. And you know, sometimes I'd be riding and they'd go like, or like, you know, no more of that with these Pro Taper. Yeah, here's just an angle of how I'll be riding, what they look like. It looks way better than the little tiny handlebars that are on there. I'll kind of be like this. And yeah, man.
Oh, this thing, what the heck? So we got new handlebars on the SYX. I really like these handlebars. I'd highly recommend them. Dude, this thing is so much fun.